Travel requirements for Hong Kong 2025. Tara! First is the basics muna. Passport and flight booking. Philippine citizen can stay no longer than 14 days in Hong Kong. Book your flight. We book our flight from Agoda with hotel inclusion. Yung hotel review natin is interesting for first-time travelers to Hong Kong. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa next video. Bago natin pag-usapan yung hotel namin is kailangan mo muna magbayad ng travel tax worth 1,645 pesos pag sa online at 1,620 naman sa airport. 25 pesos difference fee for convenience fee. Next is fill up the e-travel online. Follow the steps and ito yung link. Prepare yourself for immigration, be confident lang sa mga sagot. After ng lahat ng yan, welcome to Hong Kong. Almost 2 hours ang flight pa Hong Kong. Walang arrival card ang Hong Kong at iba pang requirements. Follow for more tips and guides to Hong Kong. See you guys!